Today we are bringing you to the world of Pandora and learn English with Avatar, the Way of Water. Hi guys! Welcome to Learn English with M to the power of 3! Jake, Sully, and Neytiri have formed a family and are doing everything to stay together. Once a familiar threat returns to finish what was previously started, Jane must work with Neytiri and the army of the Navy race to protect their home. Let's start. Number 1. Betray. Number 2. Loyalty. Let's watch.
I'm not going to ask you to betray Jake, Sully. I know you'd never do that. You're loyal, and I admire loyalty.
Betray. It means to break someone's trust by going against promises or expectations. It involves letting someone down or harming them after they have relied on you. Betrayal is the noun, and it can happen in friendships, relationships, or other connections, causing hurt and a loss of trust.
How can you betray your country?
The shadows betray you because they belong to me.
You betray me, and I will kill you.
And Saruman, you tell me, has betrayed us.
You betrayed me. You betrayed me.
Sever their Achilles first. If they can't walk, they can't betray you.
Loyal. It's an adjective and means being faithful and committed to someone or something. It involves standing by and supporting them, especially in difficult times. Loyalty is the noun and the adverb is loyally.
You know my loyalty belongs to you.
Amber is loyal to you.
I am beginning to question your loyalty to myself and the party.
You were the bravest of us all, weren't you? Loyal, stubborn.
And it's because of him this place wasn't torn down.
He was loyal to the elves.
Is loyal.
You know what bore us through those times? Loyalty.
I'm not going to ask you to betray Jake, Sully. I know you'd never do that. You're loyal, and I admire loyalty.
Number 3. Stray cat or dog. Number 4. Be around. Let's watch.
He wasn't part of our family. He was like a stray cat, just always around.
A stray cat or dog is one that doesn't have a home or owner. It's a pet that has either wandered off or been abandoned and is now living on its own. A feral cat or dog is a wild animal that used to be domesticated but now lives in the wild. Unlike stray animals, feral ones are born and raised in nature, and they may not be comfortable around humans.
You rub them up against me at night and it's like a stray cat.
Or is it Jack the bicycle messenger living in some warehouse like a stray cat?
You're gonna die like a stray dog in the desert.
I don't belong in here. I have an owner. I'm not a stray.
After that, of course, I followed him around like a stray dog.
He's become a feral cat, the term used to describe domestic cats that have become wild.
And I don't like being stalked, not by psycho nerds or their cats.
He's not really my cat. He's kind of feral. You know, wild.
Be around. It's an informal expression that typically means to be nearby or available. It can refer to physically being present or ready to engage or help.
What are we gonna do without you, Horton?
Don't worry. I'll always be around.
Yes, this job is the perfect place to practice this being good thing. And bonus, I'll be around here more.
So, I think we'll be around more.
I must be around here somewhere.
And I was so afraid that it wasn't safe for Jesse to be around me. So I looked for help.
I have an audition, but I'll definitely hook up with you later. Where are you going to be around noon?
Somewhere maybe along the equator.
He wasn't part of our family. He was like a stray cat, just always around.
Number 5. Live up to. Let's watch.
Try to live up to you.
Live up to. It means to do what people expect or meet certain standards, like following principles, values, or maintaining a good reputation.
Every time I walk into a ballroom, I know they are comparing me to Daphne. She was so good at being the diamond, and it made my mother so happy. I can never live up to that.
Sheldon, do you really expect to enforce this?
I've lived up to all my commitments under the agreement. At least once a day I ask how you are, even though I simply don't care.
Come to the lab this afternoon, I'll show you.
I'll look forward to it. You certainly have something to live up to, my boy.
I'm really sorry it doesn't live up to your high standards.
I mean, I feel like I can never live up to my dad's expectations either.
Natea Menloak tried to live up to you.
Number 6. Be hard on someone. Let's watch.
You are very hard on them.
Be hard on someone. It means expecting a lot from them, being strict, or giving them tough feedback.
Lady Crane said she was content, but I cannot help but feel like, well, we were all so hard on her, myself included.
I was probably being too hard on her. We talked, we're good.
Oh, great. I'm happy for you guys.
Your mother and I are hard on you because we see the potential that you have.
Do you always have to be so hard on me?
Don't be so hard on yourself. Someone I was still in love with was getting married.
Still in love with?
Yeah. I'm not in love with Ross.
May, I know this is really hard on you, but you guys can't give up on each other.
You are very hard on them.
Alright, now it's time to practice and take the quiz. The quiz has 3 questions and you have 5 seconds to answer each. Are you ready? Here it is. Number 1. Which option does not mean be around? A. Be available. B. Hang out. C. Stick around. Or D. Vanish. That's right. The answer is D. All the other options are synonyms of be around. Number 2. Which one is the opposite of loyal? A. Committed. B. Trustworthy. C. Unfaithful. Or D. Reliable. Well done. The answer is C. Number 3. Which of the following is the meaning of be hard on someone? A. Encourage. B. Criticize. C. Appreciate. Or D. Support. Good job. The answer is B. Well done. You've completed the lesson. Thanks so much for joining us. If you've enjoyed the content, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't hesitate to drop a comment. If there's a particular movie or animation you want us to dive into, let us know. And for more exciting content, check out this video. You won't want to miss it. See you soon!